Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So what is Southwold like in the winter? One of the main differences is all the beach huts here have been moved off the beach and into this car park, which is a complete difference to what it normally looks like in the summer, as you can see here. And if you want to check out what Southwold looks like in the peak of the summer and the heat, do check out my video, but after we've seen Southwold in the winter. So there's been some work going on here. This is all new. Shame there's no hot chocolate at the moment. But this is the boating lake and the tea room. You can see they've been doing some work around here. All this is actually quite new. Let's have a quick nose. It's really pretty with the ice and the cracks in it here on this boating lake. They do cakes here, look. Oh, Victoria sponge. Victoria sponge, one of my favourites. Look at that. Right, so we'll go and have a quick look at the beach where the beach huts used to be. Let's close the gate. Oh, I love that sound of snow underfoot. It's melting, as you can see. So as I said, literally this car park is where they store a lot of the beach huts in the summer, as they would normally be literally on the other side of the promenade. And as we have a quick look, they're so pretty though, aren't they? Even in the winter. As you can see, this is where all the beach huts would be lined up, going all the way along there. They do look really cute just lined up like this, don't they? The sun's starting to peer out a little bit. There's the putting green just over here. Again, a nice place to normally get a coffee or a drink. So let's just have a quick walk on the promenade. These places are often used in the summer to go in a bit of a windbreak, to go and have some fish and chips. Can you hear that? It sounds so eerie. That's actually powered by that solar panel there, and it's still going around it. Obviously the pier's been closed for most of the year, which is a bit of a shame, because each time I come to Southwold I want to show you it. Let's have a quick look underneath the pier, shall we? Let's walk down these steps. I love having a good old walk under the pier. I don't think I've actually shown you under Southwold Pier before. Look at all this foam on the beach, look. I thought that was snow. Sea foam. Look at that. And you can just see the famous mural there at Southwold Pier. So what we're going to do, just going to have a quick look into the town and the famous Southwold Lighthouse, and walk up towards Adnams Brewery as well. Now you'll be surprised how many of these houses in Southwold are holiday lets and holiday homes. Southwold had a lot of snow and it's melting quite quickly, which I guess is good for me because I don't have any Wellington boots on. I just have normal trainers. I mean, you can see just how much snow they've had here. Look at the snow drifts up against the walls and people's front doors. There's a view of the lighthouse, which we're coming to in just a moment. What's great about Southwold is that you look down every single alley or corner and you see glimpses of the lighthouse. So this is what Southwold is famous for. Southwold Lighthouse. Bit of a snowdrift here, look. Oh, I hate it when it all goes slushy, the snow. So just walking up this area of Southwold, obviously you see the famous Southwold Lighthouse that is actually going around at the moment. Can you see that? But you come to one of the most unique pubs here in Southwold as well. That is definitely worth a visit, especially when the pubs are back open again. Love all these little houses. They're so cute. Lighthouse View, that house is called. So this is the Soul Bay Inn. Definitely worth a look. I think, and don't quote me here, I believe it's one of the oldest pubs here in Southwold. So good. Just as we walk up here, you come to the world famous Adnams, and you can see the brewery just there. And if you're ever in Southwold and you want to pick up some Southwold beer, there is a number of shops, and I think there's one down there as well. And there is the famous Copper House Distillery, where they do some nice gin. Gin is the drink to have nowadays, isn't it? Just walk into the town from here. Again, I love this view here. Look, as you walk past, you can see glimpses of the lighthouse. Literally a picture postcard scene. I would say that Southwold is definitely a summer town, hence why it is so quiet in the winter. As I said, a lot of these houses are holiday lets. So it is extremely quiet in the winter. Mind you, I know a lot of Londoners come down in the winter who have houses here. But that's what makes it so quaint, is that, you know, you can be down here and literally get away from it all. Cool, this is a bit slippy. And a popular place in the summer to come and get your gelato ice cream. See what I mean about glimpses of the lighthouse just there in the distance. Obviously if it was dark right now that would look so cool. Is this a Southwold thing? I've never seen twisted cones before. Who knows? There is loads of boutique shops here in Southwold, as you can see. That's one of my favourite fish and chip shops. It's called the Little Fish and Chip Shop. Always a very popular place to go and get your fish and chips in the summer. And you know, as it is Southwold, you can also get some wine and some carver with your fish and chips as well. So definitely worth a visit, the Little Fish and Chip Shop. So this is like the main town area with the Swan Hotel there in the distance, and one of the oldest shops in Southwold. In fact, dating back to 1952. And you might know that Southwold is famous for amber that has been found and can still be found on the beach if you're lucky. And the amber shop here that sells, obviously, amber. Necklaces, earrings. There's also a museum in there as well. I really could do with a coffee. There's a little place here that looks like is open. And one thing Southwold is famous for, and that is how many pubs it has. Look at this snowman. Brilliant. So this area of Southwold is known as South Green, a popular place for people to come and have picnics in the summer. A lot of people congregate around here and also further up here as well. We'll just have a walk up to the cannons. There's still quite a lot of snow actually on the ground here. House over there. Seen that in the summer, it looks beautiful. So up here the famous cannons and beacon in Southwold that look over the beach. There's 6 of them in total, and there's a little roundhouse as well just up there which used to be a radio station. It's quite a unique thing, having snow that is also yellow. Now you would also assume that yellow snow is bad, and this has actually been tainted with sand from the beach, which makes it look not very pleasant, does it? Some pretty big snow drifts here. If I just get my foot in there, look at that. You can see how much sand has blown up from the beach just up here, and that's come quite a way. So thanks very much for watching this brief video this week of Southwold in the winter. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. I'll see you next time.